I want you to solve this equation for x between 0 degrees and 360 degrees. Sine x is equal to the square root of 3 over 2. What is x? Alright, now here we can use a calculator to help us. Alright, now x is going to be the sine inverse of square root of 3 divided by 2. Now if you use your calculator, what you would have is sine inverse. On my calculator I put sine and inverse. On your scientific calculator would be shift or second function. Alright, open bracket, square root of 3 divided by 2 close bracket equal, and you get 60 degrees. Alright, so what you have is 60 degrees. So remember the triangle now. The triangle you're dealing with would be something like this. This is your angle x. Sine is opposite, square root of 3 over 2. Right? Now, here. The thing is, you see that x is equal to 60 degrees. You remember what the sine curve look like, because remember we're supposed to find the value of x between 0 and 360. So if we draw the sine curve, let's draw it longer. We draw the sine curve. This is the sine curve. Alright? It goes up to 1 and down to negative 1. As for the square root of 3 over 2, let's get the number. I think it's 0.866 or something like that. The square root of 3 divided by 2 equal 0.866, right? I was correct. 0.866. So 0.866. Call it a little about here. 0.866. And I'm going to draw a line across. I want a straight line. Okay. Now notice here, 0.866. It passes through 2 points on this curve. Alright? So remember, this line is x. And when you solve equations using graph, you draw both curves and see where the curves intersect. In this case, one of my curves is a straight line and the other is a sine curve, a sine wave. They intersect here and here. You can see that, alright? Now the question is, where are those points? Remember now, in the middle here would be, all the way here is 360 degrees. You have 180, this would be 90, right here, 180 here, 360 here, 180 plus 90 would be 270. Alright, you have all those angles. So therefore, the first angle that we got was 60 degrees, which means our 60 is here. Alright? The second angle would be this. Whatever it is, we need to find it out. Which angle is that? Alright? Now, from here to here is 60. From 0 going forward to the right is 60. But that, since this is symmetrical, this half of the wave is symmetrical. If we go from 180 to the left, it will give us our second angle. So 180 minus 60 is what we get. 120. Alright? That would be 120. Now, let's do somewhat of a piece of verification to see. Let's find the sine of 120 and see if it is the same 0.866. Alright? Sine 120 equal 0.866. So now we're sure. So the two values of x are x equal 60 degrees and 120 degrees. Alright? So that's using the sine wave. Now let's look at it some more in our next video.